Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw your money from eToro. And before starting with telling you how to withdraw your money from eToro, you need to know that you need to verify your account. And you can do this simply by going to home, clicking on verify your account, or click right here on complete profile. And then you need to do the following steps to complete your verification, and then after that you can withdraw from your account because they need your personal information to give you your money. So they also need your payment details, and that is why they want you to verify. Now after that, once you verified, you go right here to the option withdraw funds. And this is the place where you can withdraw your funds. But right now they're telling us, sorry, but your account does not have sufficient funds to withdraw. For more information and breakdown, click on the tooltip below. Now then we do got it. But normally when you have money standing on your account, you can click on withdraw funds and then do all the following steps and then withdraw your money. It's quite simple. Fill in right here how much money you want to withdraw, then fill in your banking account, and then after that verify it, and then you can withdraw your money from eToro to your bank. So maybe this is not the video that you wanted to see, but this is what it is. And this is the place where you can withdraw your money. So hopefully this was a little bit the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.